I updated the design of Gen 23. I made quite a few changes to the basic design and make the boat easier to build and also more robust. I have also uploaded the kayak plan to my website www.diyusa.org. Please feel free to download it. The obvious changes, I have the buckles on top instead on the side. It makes the assembly easier. You don't have to reach out to the side to tighten the buckle. The seat backing, I add this piece and I fold it backward. And it prevents the side from collapsing towards the center and keep it more rigid. I also extend this piece by another 6 inches, so for taller people, when they step on it, their feet will stay within the two-layered floor. It provides stronger floor support. I add a lashing on the floor and use it to keep the seat in place. And when I pack up the boat, I reposition the lashing and use the lashing to carry the packaged boat. And it is really handy, and use the same lashing to carry the final package, as illustrated here. It is very different from my early design. I used the floor to wrap around the fold-up kayak. Doing it this way allows me to protect the underwater surface of the kayak, especially during transportation. The drawback is the overall folded dimension becomes much bigger. From here to here is 5.5, but let's look at the other side from the other side. Here is 6 inches. So if you count here 6.5, so around 6 to 6.5 inch, fully compressed. The height is still 15 inches, less than 15 inches. I have to compress the edge of the coral plust so it can fit into the slot of the plastic piece. And I have a better way of doing it this time. Instead of using the heat gun, I place a sheet of parchment paper on top of the coral plust and then use iron to apply the heat to compress the edge. I place a magazine next to it so that I can control the final thickness of the edge. The result is very good, so much better than the heat gun, which I cannot control the spreading of the heat. I doubled up the thickness of the sidewall by using zip ties instead of heat fusion. This works very well and also makes the build much faster. We built 3 kayaks this time, and it will take me another 15 hours to build one more. I can see there are other design changes to make the build faster, and that will be implemented in my future design. In my next video, I will upload the assembly and disassembly of this boat. Please stay tuned.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.